One of the main concerns of the parent is what happens if a fire breaks out while the building project is on the go. We obviously always have the safety of our children first. So we decided to spring a drill on them this morning while children were going about their normal activities. The alarm is sounded and the clock immediately starts running. We then move out, the groundsman and myself, to sound the alarm through all three of our separate buildings. At the same time, when the groundsman leaves the building, he immediately alerts the security officer at the gate. The gates are closed so that no additional people can enter the grounds. The teachers then immediately need to gather all their children. They collect their file with the morning register so they know exactly which children are at school on the day. A rope which the children hold onto for the walking procedure to follow them, and the refreshments for the children. This then goes with them to the various evacuation points. The children, when they arrive at the evacuation points, immediately are seated. The teacher does a roll call to ensure that everybody is present. All the buildings are then swept as well. We then check with every class that every staff member and every child is accounted for. We then report back to our health and safety officer, and only then is the clock stopped.
This time around, our evacuation for our baby castle was 5 minutes and our main castle was 6 minutes and 34 seconds, which is amazing. We also evacuated a whole lot more people today than what we normally do because we've got all the builders on site as well. So total number of people evacuated were about 420 people.
I was exceptionally happy and exceptionally proud of the teachers with the way it happened today.